How we doing, YouTubers? Okay, I just want to make a quick video about a trade I took on Thursday. So it was a GU trade and it was a 4-hour continuation. Now it's just an intraday trade, it wasn't a swing trade, anything like that, it was just an intraday trade. But I want to break down to you on the chart why I took the trade, and hopefully it can give you some insights into the market, maybe give you some trade ideas for the future, whatever. But I just want to break it down for you, show you why I took the trade, what the outcome was, and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, we're going to dive into the charts now, and then I'll explain the whole trade to you. So let's see in the charts, guys. So we've got a GU chart here from last week. Now I'm just going to break down this trade, and then hopefully you can get some clarification on how the market works. You can see some setups I take. But as long as it helps you see the market in like maybe a new way, or just helps you understand a little bit more, then that's the whole purpose of this video. So we have a major break of structure on the 4-hour, yeah? So we know we're trending to the upside, yeah? And if we do like internally, obviously you could say we had a break here from this retracement. So we had a higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, and then higher high. Yeah. So we know this is in a intraday uptrend, and then on the bigger picture, it's still an overall uptrend. Yeah. So we should only be looking for buys. Make sense? Okay. So we've had this pullback. Yeah. And then if we go through the major pullback, which was here to here, yeah, which is over 50%. So obviously in this zone, let me just mark this for you. So in this zone here, past the 50%, we should only be looking for buys, because obviously the bigger trend's up, the intraday trend's up, everything's looking for buys. Yeah. So now we've had this lovely 4-hour rejection candle. Yeah. So we know sellers have tried to push it down, buyers have said, don't think so, and then we just pushed it all the way back up, and then we've finished in the green, which is white on my screen. We've also, if you have a look at this, had a lovely liquidity area. So basically when we get a sideways movement, yeah, like this, it's building liquidity. Obviously we had a lovely push to the upside from there. Now we did have a pullback, but we didn't quite get into this zone, so this zone needed testing. I was thinking maybe we could have gone a little bit lower to this imbalance, but you got to do what the market tells you, and then obviously it's hit the zone, and then we've had a lovely 4-hour rejection candle. So it means buyers are taking control. Okay, so what next? So we know we're looking for longs. We know we've had this, yeah. So now we're looking for at least 50% of this wick to be filled, because that's where a lot of liquidity is. It's where the buyers start stepping in. So we know this needs filling to at least a 50%. Yeah. So we'd be looking for a minimum of this, and then maybe this, and then up to the upside. Yeah, makes sense. So okay, so we drop down to the 15-minute. So on the 15 minutes, if we do this, we know we've had an internal break of structure here, yeah, just from here to here, yeah, broke above, when one close above, yeah, and then if we go down to the 4-minute, we've got a lovely sponsored candle here, so we know from here to here, yeah. So we're looking for a minimum of this 50% to be filled. Ideally, this wick to be filled, and then this, and then something like this. Yeah. So this is what we're looking for. So let's get rid of this. So basically, if we go down to the 1 minute now, so we've got our POIs, got 50%, then we've got this lovely, clean SC candle. Yeah. Okay, let's drop down to the 1 minute. So 1 minute, yeah. Zoom out a little bit. so we can see all this. Yeah, so let's play it. So just off something else, a lot of people would maybe count this wick here as an SC because it did break and tail structure. But the only problem with that is, where's that gone? Is that this here didn't retrace far enough. I would have liked to see this candle here because this was the generator that broke the structure. Yeah, so this didn't really do anything. It's not even a pullback, it's a tiny retracement then up. So this needs to come back to grab some liquidity and go. So that's why I wouldn't take that candle there. So anyway, let's play. So we just stopped that there, yeah? So now, we are, so higher, failed new high, and now we're trending to the downside, yeah? That still failed, so we're trending down now to the downside on an intraday perspective, yeah? So what we want to see is a nice clean break of structure of this tiny intraday trend to say it's over, and then we're looking for buys anyway because our bias on the higher time frames. So let's keep playing this. So wick there didn't make anything, still coming back down. Still nothing, haven't broke structure. Boom. Yeah. Okay. So let's dissect this. No new high. Yeah. Yeah. So this to here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This one didn't break, yeah. This is the main structure here. Yeah, that didn't break. But then this broke all this structure here. Yeah. Let me just clean this up, make it nice and clean. So this here has now broken this intraday trend, yeah. So this to here is now finished, yeah, because we've had this breaker structure, yeah. So everything we know about the wick, SC, we've had a breaker structure, we're in an uptrend, everything is in our favour now for a long. So what do we do? Where did the move start? The move started just here, yeah. So that's our move, yeah. We think, right, this is the generator that ended all this here, broke structure, the buyers have stepped in, we're in it long, we're long, or we're heading high, or you know what I mean, we're bullish on all the other time frames. So we go, okie dokie, let's get to work. So let's get our tool here, a little bit low, tidy this up here, nice and tidy, yeah, to there. And then where's our target? Where's our target? Okay, where is our target? So from an intraday perspective, this is your target, yeah. This high here, yeah, just from an intraday. But on the higher time frames, yeah, knowing everything we know, you could easily target this high here. Easy peasy, but I didn't. I target this. So you could take partials here, take 50, 60, 70% here, and just let that other baby run, or you just take all, or whatever you want to do. This is my target. After everything we know, this is the long. So let's dive in. Yeah, we've picked up, we know our highs, we've put our take profit here, it's all set, so there's no emotion. Yeah, so we know we're exiting the trade because we've set it and we can't change it. So now, boom. And there you go, 18R. I mean, you could have put this tighter to get 23, 25, but 18R. Trading 100k accounts, 18 grand, 200 grand, 36, and so on. So don't forget, guys, if you're trading small at the minute, it doesn't matter because eventually you will be trading large, and then all this turns to big numbers. But to keep it small, if you're starting off, you don't need to be in a lot of money, you need to get your strategy right. So if we just press play now and see what happens. There we go. Oh, see, you would have got stopped out. Liquidity grab. And see what happens. Doesn't do much, does it? I think this was a news event, I think CPI or something. Yeah, look at this now. And then wants to come a little bit lower than it, and then look at that, off to the races. There you go. Looking at this, another trade here. Perfect trade. In fact, I'm going to break this down in a minute, because this is an absolute beauty of a trade. But yeah, so guys, a quick 18R just by knowing what's going on the higher time frames, the medium, and on the smaller. Can just catch you a quick 18 in. Let's have a look at the time frame. So that was 7:30 to 9, 2 hours. So 2 hours, guys, 18R. Amazing. So guys, I hope that helped. If you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers, guys.